Right guys, welcome back to another vlog at Enkahnz HQ, and behind me we have another project for January 2025. So we've got a Range Rover Sport that we've customized previously before in the past actually. The customer's given us a call and said, I want my Range Rover Sport respraying to Forenzi Red. It was a very interesting phone call actually. I was saying to him, why do you want to respray the colour of the car? It's already looking quite nice. It's looking like a Panda Range Rover, black and white. He said, to be honest with you, I'm a bit bored now. I want to change it up a bit, mix it up a little bit, and Forenzi Red is my favourite colour. And also I've been watching quite a lot of your vlogs and I've seen that you've recently done quite a lot of Forenzi Red Range Rovers, and once the body kit's fitted on there, they look stunning. So I was like, all right, cool, no worries. Let's try and mix it up. Let's do a different colour, like British Racing Green or Merlin Purple or anything a bit different. We've done loads of resprays here, to be honest. We've done Nardo Grey, we've done Satin Black, Tiffany Blue. We've done all sorts of resprays. And now I thought, let's do something a bit different. But he was like, no, Forenzi Red is my favourite colour and that's the only colour I'm going to respray the car. So I was like, all right, fair enough. We'll just have to do it Forenzi Red. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So let's go around this Range Rover and show you what we're going to be doing to it. So it's got an SVR style bonnet on here, looks really nice with the intake vents in there, and it's got the stripe down the middle in black. The headlights have been tinted as well. Barugzai front bumper, front splitter, looks really nice actually. Black and white combo. He's also got some wheel arches on here as well in black. Black door mouldings, black mirror covers, black roof. Looks quite nice. Panda Range Rover, black and white, you can't really go wrong. I'll probably have black wheels as well, and then it looked really nice. But he's brought it down to mix it up a little bit. So once it's all done, whatever you see that is currently white on the Range Rover will be going to Forenzi Red. Also, I quite like what he's done here. He's got some white lettering. Normally lettering's black or silver, but he's actually gone with white lettering to mix it up and tie in with the current colour scheme. But that will be also getting changed as well. I reckon the lettering's got to go black to match the new colour scheme. This car will now be getting prepped by the technicians, and they're going to start stripping it all down and getting the car ready for the painting process. So at the moment we can see the car is fully stripped out. We've removed the existing bonnet, and you can see it's being masked up. The sides and the edges of this bonnet are going to be Forenzi Red, and the middle section of the bonnet is staying gloss black. So you can see the technicians have started repairing the bonnet before they paint it. So they've repaired this section of the bonnet here, and then the next step is to prep this bonnet and paint it to Forenzi Red. You'll probably hear me better now. So it's fully stripped out. The headlights have been removed, the center grille, the front bumper, side vents, the arches. It's fully stripped down, door moldings, and now the technicians are in the process of prepping the panels and getting them ready to be painted to Forenzi Red. Quite excited for this build actually. Forenzi Red's a really nice classy colour, and hopefully this will turn out quite nice, especially with all the gloss black accents. Check out them side steps, by the way, guys. Light up side steps, never really seen them before. The rear bumper and the taillights have been removed, and the next process is to get this car prepped and ready for the spray booth. Right guys, so we've got a white Range Rover Sport that's in for a Barugzai body kit, and it's from a regular customer of ours called Pav from London. So he's a car trader, and he's bought this Yulong white Range Rover Sport to get customized. So let's quickly go through what we're going to be doing to this Range Rover. First things first, The technicians have already started stripping it down, so they've removed the centre grille and they're in the process of taking this front bumper off. We're going to be colour coding these side vents to gloss black. The bonnet vents are going gloss black as well. These door mouldings, you can see at the moment they are black. So we're going to be doing these colour coded to Yulong white. Around the back of this Range Rover, we're going to be changing the rear bumper with the quad exhaust. And the technicians have already stripped down the back of the Range Rover. They've removed the rear lights and they've taken the back bumper off. So let me show you the new bumpers. They're over there. Oh, actually, I forgot, guys. We're also going to be fitting it with a rear roof spoiler as well. So let's show you the bumpers first. Right guys, so this is the front bumper that we're going to be fitting to the Range Rover. You can see it's already been pre-built and assembled. The DRL lights are in there as well. So it's literally ready to rock and roll. So that customer is from London. He's driven 3.5 to 4 hours from London to Enkahnz HQ in Bradford. So he would have set off at about 6 o'clock in the morning and he's been patiently waiting here since 9 o'clock. So now the car's upstairs in the workshop and we will be giving this car back same day today at around 4 o'clock. So if you've got a car and you want to do a same day turnaround service, we can also do that as well. Your front bumper that's been resprayed to red. I don't want to reveal too much, but that is your car behind me. My favourite piece of the car is probably this bonnet.
Wow.
So stay tuned, brother. Stay tuned, brother. It's been a mega project, but inshallah should be ready next week.
Inshallah. Jazakallah. Thank you very much for all your effort.
No worries, brother. No worries. We'll touch base next week. Hopefully, I'll give you an update on Monday, Tuesday.
Inshallah.
Thank you, brother. Take care. Okay, bye. Right, guys, so we've got Syed's Range Rover Sport, and now it has been fully resprayed to Forenzi Red. And we'll give him a little FaceTime call shortly and give him an update on this car because he has been messaging me non-stop. He's quite excited for this, and it is his dream colour, Forenzi Red. So we'll give him a call shortly to see what his reaction's like. And you can see over here, it's an absolutely stunning colour. I was a bit sceptical. I was trying to persuade him to do a different colour, but he was not budging at all. We ended up doing it Forenzi Red and it has turned out absolutely stunning. And if you're watching this, Syed, fair play, it's an absolutely lovely colour. It's like a deep blood red and it ties in so nicely with all the contrasting black accents. For example, the wheel arch trims, the door mouldings, the rear bumper, which is over there, the diffuser section is in black, the SVR style bonnet. Check this bonnet out, guys. Absolutely wow. I can't really summarize it, to be honest with you. It's just doesn't really do it justice on video. The red is literally popping through the panels. It's like a dark blood red, and it's one of my favorite colors actually. Like a blood red, really nice, and can't wait to see what this is going to look like once it's all done, especially with all the contrasting black accents on the car. The front bumper's over there, back bumper's over there, and now we're just in the process of building the car back up. And he was meant to collect the car on Friday, but we were against the time and he still had to get the calipers done. So Monday morning, first thing, we've got the calipers painted and the car should be ready for collection tomorrow morning. So let's quickly give Syed the call and let him know about the good news.
Hello.
Salam, brother.
Salam.
Hi. All good, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine, thank you.
What's going on?
No, just, a bit cold.
It's freezing. I'm currently under the weather as well. I've got a bit of a cough and a flu.
Oh my God, yeah, it's just going around. The weather, one day is 10 degrees, next day is like -5 or something.
Yeah, tell me about it, man, tell me about it. But the car is all done and mashallah, looks stunning. Calipers have just been painted in Calipers have been painted in red, and now you can see they're bright, bold and vibrant.
Oh, mashallah. I was going to ask you for some photos, but I'm sure you're going to say no, you're going to come tomorrow.
So we'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Inshallah, no problem.
What time are you coming down?
Be kind of 12, 1, something like that, inshallah.
Perfect. Sounds good, brother.
Okay, bro.
Sounds good. So we'll see you tomorrow then, brother.
Inshallah.
Sorted. Take care.
Take care. Thank you.
Okay, mate.
Okay.
Right, guys, so that was Sayyid there. He's quite happy and thrilled to hear that his car is finally complete. It's been a long project. He was one of the first customers of 2025, and I think this will be the first car that is handed over in 2025. And what a project it's been, and what a stunning transformation it is. And hopefully we can capture Sayyid's reaction on camera. He's a bit camera shy. I did tell him make sure you're ready for the vlog, but he said I want to stay out of it, I don't really want to be on camera, but let's see, hopefully we can convince him and get his reaction. Right guys, the Range Rover project is all done and complete. It's the first big handover of 2025, and what a project it has been. So let's quickly hop outside and show you what we have done to this Range Rover. To be honest with you, it's quite nice and warm in here, nice and cozy, and it's absolutely freezing outside. So let's quickly run through what we've done to this Range Rover. By the way, I think I might have mispronounced this customer's name. I've just got off the phone with him now. He's on the train and he's on the way up to collect his Range Rover. He's actually called a Saeed, so my bad, Saeed. I can't remember what I've been referring to you in this vlog. Let's quickly show you guys what a crazy transformation this has turned out to be. The car was originally white. I think it was Yulong white or Fuji white, I can't really remember. And now it has had a full respray to Forenzi red. And all the gloss black bits and accents, they've been freshened up a bit because they were a bit dull and a bit worn out. So all these sections have now been resprayed and freshened up to gloss black. So it's got the SVR style bonnet with the gloss black racing stripe in the middle, gloss black vents in there. So this is the Barugzai center grille in there as well. He wants to keep the car debadged. He wants to go for debadged look. And you've got a gloss black front splitter, and it's got the Barugzai front bumper there. Coming around to the side of the car, we've fitted it with some fresh SVR style arches on there to give the car that aggressive stance, and he's also gone for gloss black door mouldings as well. So when the car came in, it had some standard door mouldings, now fitted it with some SVR style door mouldings, which are slightly more aggressive. Let's put this window up before the rain gets in there. That's not going to work. While I did that, actually, I just realised we've resprayed the car inside out, including the door shuts and returns. So if you see over here, it's all Forenzi red now. He's done quite a lot to this Range Rover actually. He's done all sorts of modifications. He's got some glow up side steps there. Now I've got some lights on there. Come around, oh, I've just noticed that now actually. I've not really seen that before. First time I'm looking at this, he's got this glow up, light up, and check out these lights as well, they're quite cool. He's got some aftermarket reverse lights. The rear bumper, all these black accents have been freshened up, so now they've been resprayed to gloss black, and now the car just looks deadly. Stunning colour choice, first big transformation of 2025. Hopefully he likes the car, he likes the colour. I did FaceTime call him and he was buzzing. Before we hand over the car actually, we need to take these old number plates off. I gave him a call, I said these are quite worn down and they've got the screw holes, it's not going to look nice, we've got to change them. So I've got some fresh ones here. This is the old front number plate, it was quite worn out and it's going to look horrible, especially when we've resprayed the full car. So got some fresh ones made. Big shout out to Harry from Rapid Plates, and his website is 4dnumberplates.com, so check out Harry, he's our plug for these number plates, always comes through, and rapid service as well. That is the Range Rover Sport, all finished and complete, resprayed in Forenzi red. and what a transformation this has been. So if you've got a Range Rover Sport and you'd like to change the colour of it, it's something a bit similar to this customer. He's already had the body kit done before, and now we just wanted to spice it up after a couple of years and get it fully resprayed to Forenzi Red. So if you've got a Range Rover or a G-Wagon or any 4x4 SUV and you'd like to get it resprayed, give us a call and we can get that sorted for you. But for now, I better get back inside because it's absolutely freezing. Before we cut off, check out some of these gadgets this customer's got inside this car. It's absolutely freezing, guys. Let's get this heated steering wheel on. So he's got a nice steering wheel, gloss black to match the outside of the car, and he's got this perforated leather on the sides, red stitching. Check out this gear stick lever he's got here. He's got the crystal style gear lever, similar to the BMW X5s, to be honest. I reckon that's where the inspirations come from. He's got some nice leather seats, red leather with the black contrast, and he's got the red stitching on there as well. So I think that's where his inspiration came from. He's got a black and red interior, so he thought, let's get the car resprayed to red and black from the outside as well. He's got some nice Star Galaxy roof lights in here as well. He's got all sorts of gadgets in this car. He's had this aftermarket screen fitted in here as well with the climate control module. So he's pretty much a car customization freak. He's literally modded his car everywhere. He's got some black trims here as well. Door cards have been done as well. He's got a gloss black start button. So yes guys, that's a Range Rover, all customized. So let us know what your feedback is in the comments, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Actually guys, I completely forgot, we've also done the calipers on this car as well, so check out these calipers. So sprayed them red, and now you can see they're bright, bold and vibrant, matching the color of the car, and the car is also looking fresh. So forgot to mention that actually, yeah.